To better understand how the balance sheet works, let's start a business. We have a camera and came up with an idea of shooting films. We have a partner and he has $1,000 in cash. Our camera is worth $2,000. Our partner and we contribute our assets to create a company named Movie Production. We'll be producing movies and selling them to TV channels. Now, the company has a share capital of $3,000, and this is what our business is worth at this stage. We have 67% share of the company, representing the camera that we contributed to the business. The co-founder has 33%, which corresponds to his contribution of $1,000 in cash. Now let's have a look at the company's balance sheet. The company has assets represented by $1,000 cash and equipment worth $2,000, which is the camera we've given to the company. The total assets are $3,000. On the other side of the balance sheet, we don't have any liability yet, but we do have share capital of $3,000 representing ownership in the company by its founders. Our total equity and liabilities equals the total assets. At this point, we don't have enough cash to start our operations, so we decided to borrow $1,000 from the bank at 10% annual interest rate. Our cash balance has increased by $1,000, and our liabilities have increased by the same amount. Now, total assets equal $4,000, and the equity and liability is worth $4,000, so the balance sheet remains in balance. We have plenty of cash. Let's spend it on something useful. We bought a computer to be used as an assembly station for the movies we will shoot. We also bought props and costumes to be used in the scenes. Let's get back to the balance sheet to see how it has changed. We have $500 left in our cash account, but now we have inventory worth $500, and our equipment increased by $1,000 for a total of $3,000. Assets are still worth $4,000. So what happened? We reallocated our assets from cash to inventory and equipment. We haven't made any movies yet, therefore have no profits. Our share capital is unchanged, and our liabilities are unchanged as well. To consolidate your knowledge about the balance sheet, let's make a practical task.